Hello, I'm going to walk you through uh, how to annotate basically. So after you open QPath, you would need to click open the project. Go to the project folder and click on this file, click open, and the project will be open. You'll try to open images, but it actually won't work because first you would need to go to extensions and click open from cloud. Uh, I will provide all these values to fill in a Google Doc. After you fill them in, you can click sign in AWS. If you don't have an account, you will need to basically register an account. If you already have an account, you would just go and confirm everything. Okay, now we can go back. We see that we have access to the slides now. And let's go, for example, to this image. Okay, great. So now it opens. And here's an ROI. This is 1024 by 1024 pixels ROI or 227 micrometers. So basically here what you will see two classes. The first class is introducible. What you can do is that you can go to Annotations tab and click on the Select Objects by Classification, and all of the objects will be selected. And another class that we have here is the blank. So you will need to annotate only the blank class for the Leydig module. I will provide more guidelines and more details about which classes we have for the Leydig module in the Google Doc, but basically we have other class which includes endothelial, connective tissue, and basically everything that is not included in round Leydig class, spindle Leydig class, and myoid. So how the annotation process will be, basically you will need to label all of these blank objects, and you can do that in different ways. So the first way is that I will hold command on my Mac. It's probably control key on Windows laptop, and you will just click on these objects, these nuclei, and after that you can either right click and set classification to the class that you want, but I find it more convenient that actually it works better because sometimes this right click doesn't work really well. So this annotation tab works better, and yeah, basically you can select the class that you need and click set selected. After that, you can see that the class has been assigned to these objects. Another trick that will be really useful is this selection mode. So now I'll click and QPath will turn it on. And then I can use, for example, this polygon tool. And I can see, so here's, for example, a blood vessel, and I don't want to click all of these nuclei, on all of these nuclei. And I'm going to just draw a polygon, and all of these nuclei will be selected, after which I can assign them class other. And yeah, that's basically it. You can see the images here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.